Welcome, welcome. You finally met me. This is Issiah. I'm the spaceman, and welcome to the show. Heading to work right now because I got some stuff to do. I always got stuff to do at my other job. But back at the lab, we always got interesting things happening. So I just wanted to be brief and quick about how we got the show started and basically what caused everything to develop into this channel. Originally, I just wanted to play with OpenClaw. Everybody was making a rage of it, and I was like, what is this thing? So I decided to install it on this old ThinkPad. Originally sandboxed it, and basically had to break it out of the sandbox because it wasn't doing anything. Couldn't figure out how to get it to work. After I got tired of that, and I decided, well, let me just not sandbox it because I'm a Linux admin. So I was like, well, let's free this thing up. So I put it on my regular system under my regular user. After that, still was having problems. Eventually what I figured out was, it wasn't because it wasn't working. It was because they had a bug in there. Didn't like Ollama. Ollama didn't like it. So 6 months later, and after I got completely frustrated, I was like, well, can't get this thing to work how I want. So I'm like, well, I'm just gonna build a terminal and connect to these AIs, these models. See if I can just get them to do what they're supposed to be doing. Excuse the traffic and the noise, a little crazy on this road. But anyway, so I tried to get it connected. And then I was just like, well, how about this? Why don't I just build my own AI agent? And that's exactly what I did. I'm not gonna go into all the details right here, but at the end of the day, all my videos about basically me working on projects and just trying to get these things started. I eventually got into using Hermes, and it works pretty good, but everybody was creating all this stuff and trying to figure it all out. And I was like, well, here's a good time to jump in myself. So I steered my project mostly towards Linux development and Linux work, using different ideas basically. And my original idea was, everybody was having problems with AIs remembering things. And I was like, well, why would they want to? I didn't know anything about AI. I didn't know anything about the models or tokens or any of that stuff. Then once I started learning and finding out more information and doing research, that's when I was like, well, let me see if I can figure out how all this works. So that's when I came up with SuperAI Toolkit. Weird name, but it works. Pretty much did a lot of vibe coding. My background in high school was Pascal. Learned it, didn't really like it. Worked with Bash, played with it. Python, not too much, played with it. But because I use Linux, Gentoo Linux, I sort of know Linux under the hood. I'm not super pro, but not super pro. I can get around and do some stuff. And the way I work is a weird workflow, just like everybody. But here's the interesting thing. I've released a couple videos. So right now you're seeing all my bloopers, which are weird. Sort of like, what the hell's this guy doing? Well, I don't really know. That's why this is the Spaceman channel. The space isn't for spaceman, like floating guy from outer space. The actual space is just a terminal space. It's a terminal cursor. That's where the dash comes in, or the underscore, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to show you something real quick on my other phone. I got Discord set up with Hermes, OpenClaw, and SRR, and I asked them each, hey, what do you think about the that new video we just sent? And here is OpenClaw. Give me a second. I don't know if you were able to see that or not. OpenClaw was like, I don't know what the hell's going on. It didn't say anything. Here's Hermes. Give me a second. This might be backwards, but I'll just give you the intel. This is Hermes. Hermes is like, yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on. It's a system error. And here is SRR. Anyway, if you didn't see it all, I'll have it posted on my next video. Basically, SRR said, can't access it online because I don't have the capabilities. I'm text-based, but pretty much looked it up, said, hey, I'm trying, checking it out. So anyway, I'm about where I need to be right now, but this is the Spaceman. Like, subscribe, we'll have more content. Right now I'm getting my lab set up, getting my video editing, video production, whatever you want to call it, set up. So it'll be set up soon. Subscribe, like, and check out the Spaceman. I'm out.